Welcome back to our derivatives course. Today we will review the profit and loss chart for the calendar spread using put options strategy. Let's begin. Remember that the calendar spread using puts strategy consists of two put options. We write one for the near term. We buy another one for the longer term. Both put options have the same strike price. Let's create a scenario analysis for the written put option. We will increment the spot price by $5 going up and going down. The exercise value for the written put is especially important for this strategy, simply because this is how we are hoping to make a profit point. We are expecting that the written put option with the near-term maturity date will expire worthless. Let's create a scenario analysis for the long put option. This long put option has a longer term maturity. When the shorter term written put option expires, this longer term long put option will still have time to expiration. We calculate the exercise value. However, it is irrelevant for our purposes today. What we need is the value of this long put option at the time when the written put option expires. For this example, when the written put option expires, we will still have 30 more days for the long put option to expire. We need to calculate the value of the long put option at day 30 when it has another 30 days to maturity. We will use Black & Scholes option pricing calculator. We will use Black & Scholes option pricing calculator. You can use any Black & Scholes option price calculator. We enter the spot price, strike price, time to maturity, dividend yield, expected volatility, and risk-free interest rate into an online Black & Scholes option price calculator point. We are interested in the calculated put option price. The first starting point should be to enter the current spot price of $255 and our strike price of $250. We try different expected volatility levels until we get the current option price of $8.45. We then change the time to maturity to 30 days. This will give us the price of the long put option when the written put option expires. Notice that we didn't change anything else. We are expecting all else to stay the same. This expectation is the reason we chose this strategy point. Notice that the price of this option went from $8.45 down to $5.46. The next step is to calculate the price of the long put option for different spot prices in our scenario analysis for the same 30 days maturity. Notice the column M. Using the online Black & Scholes calculator, we calculated the price of the long put option for different spot prices in our scenario analysis for the same 30 days maturity. We will now combine the values of the written put option and the long put option at the maturity date of the written put option. Remember, when the written put option expires, the long put option still has about 30 days to expiration. We can now draw the payout chart. Notice that this strategy will have limited profit around the strike price and a limited loss. This concludes our illustration of the payout chart for the calendar spread using put options strategy. See you at the next lecture.